Let's talk about this. This is Nigerian rice moi moi. Yes, it is made with rice, not beans. I'm sure you don't know about this. Let me blow your mind. This rice moi moi tastes so good that you cannot stop eating it if you make it. It's so unique and very tasty. If this sounds interesting to you, please keep watching. Make sure your rice is washed thoroughly and soaked. You can soak the rice overnight or a few hours before you grind it. You can use any type of rice. Yes, any type of rice of choice. So don't say, okay, I don't have this type of rice, so for that reason, I can't make it. You can use any type of rice. Make sure you're using a blender that has a bit of muscle. Oh boy, so that it can blend the rice smooth. You want it very smooth, okay? So pour it in a bowl or whatever you want to pour it in, cover. And now we make a little bit of some pepper sauce. I just fried some onions and tatashe, chopped tatashe. You don't want to blend your tatashe smooth, you want to chop it. This gives some colors and some beautification to the rice moi moi. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. In this channel, I teach how to make Nigerian food, making it easy, one step at a time, and I make beginners friendly video. So when you watch my video and there is something you don't understand, feel free to ask me in the comment section, okay? And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me. Thank you. So let's continue with the video. To make the pepper sauce more delicious, I added a little bit of broth I have in my fridge. You can skip this particular step, or you can do it. It all brings the pepper sauce together and is going to elevate the taste of the rice moi moi. It's not a must it will be broth from chicken or turkey. It can just be fish. So choose your options. Now it's time to combine everything. I use about one and a half cup of the stew to add to the rice moi moi. I'll be mixing everything thoroughly. And one thing to note is that when you are grinding your rice, make sure you add enough water. Okay? Rice texture is not like beans, so make sure you add enough water while grinding your rice moi moi. If you know moi moi very well, you know that it just requires steam to cook properly. So you can put your moi moi in ramekin like I did, or you can use moi moi plate or nylon foil. There's so much things you can put and cook your rice moi moi in, so it's your choice, okay? So after assembling it, pour in the quantity that is okay for the moi moi. Don't overfill it, and put your protein. I use egg and meat, so you can put fish, you can put anything of choice, and that is it. Steam the moi moi for about 25 to 30 minutes and it's ready. Make sure to check if there is still water in the pot if you are using pot like I did, but if you are using a steamer, you have no problem. So this is how I made this Nigerian rice moi moi that people have been asking me to drop the recipe. It is so good. When I say something is good, it is good. This moi moi, the texture reminds me of agidi. If agidi and agidi jollof, not just normal agidi. If agidi jollof and moi moi and opa have a child, this is what it will be. It is not too jelly, it is not too soft, it is just perfect. The right texture, the right fluffiness, and the taste will blow your mind. Remember, everything just depends on how you make it and all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask questions and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.